Watch, I am not even lying. What is in this big box? Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you want more detailed videos like these. Well, today I am giving an unboxing video, if that makes sense. So I will be unboxing some products that I got today from Amazon. And obviously I said that this would be very detailed, so I'm showing you first reactions, first everything, so you guys getting to see what I see. First, I am going to go with the big box. What do we have here? Where is the knife? I probably shouldn't be opening this with a knife, but I am going to be opening it with a knife. Sorry for the shifting camera. Right, we are here with a knife. I feel like Chucky, but we're just going to open. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So in this box we have the lip gloss tubes, and it is supposed to be 80 of these. I would count them and I would tell you if they are actually 80 in this pack. They're cute. They're cute actually. Yeah, they're cute. And we have some, what do you call these? I don't know what you call these, but these were packed at the bottom to prevent the lip gloss tubes from being damaged, which was really good. So the packaging was A+. And I actually bought some sample jars for some lip scrubs that I'm actually making. Why am I using actually so much? I know that in the previous video I used so a lot of times, and now it's actually whatever. I have some tubes, 12 tubes with gray covers. So the lip gloss tubes and the lip scrub tubes were in this big packet, and it was packaged well, I must say. Here we have a smaller package. I thought that I was getting a lot of big boxes. I don't know why, but I have a small box. So we're going to do this carefully because I am pretty sure that the Versagel would be in this small one. So you don't want to go and burst it. So we're going to go with this. Oops, look what I just did. I am so clumsy. Wow. Okay, let's just try to get this off. Let's just forget about that. We have, ooh, these are cute. They're small though, but they're cute. These are the size. This is the size of the 5.5 ounce. They're cute, but they're small. We would see. I would do in another video how many lip gloss I could make with one of this. I don't know. And I got, okay, they're saying that the Versagel is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. we are going to test this because on this frequently asked questions paper thingy, they said that with one of this you could make about 18 to 23 tubes. So we are definitely going to test that. So here we go for the Versagel. And last but not least, we have, I'm not using the knife anymore. I am sick and I'm tired of using the knife. What? In this big box, we have the bubble wrap thing. Watch, I am not even lying. What is in this big box? Watch at it. Wow, I am shocked. I am shocked. Wow. I thought that the packaging would be much bigger. This is totally small compared to what was shown on Amazon. Wow. They're so tiny. They're really tiny. I am actually disappointed in these. They're very small. I'm going to show about 3 of these. They're very small. And I'm going to open the peach, because this one in my hand is the peach. Expiring March 2020. So we're going to see how these smell. Pray to God that these smell. These, it smells, wow, it smells really good actually. So I am guessing that with a couple drops of these it should do the trick, even though that the quantity is small. Wow, but I am still disappointed in the size. I thought that it would have been a box about this size, but whatever. Amazon, you do you. When I went to town also, why is this? Yeah. Also, I bought some straws because your girl is on a budget, and when I went to the pharmacy, there were no plastic pipettes. So I got straws. So hopefully these should work. I don't know as yet. Hopefully. I got some olive oil. I have coconut oil already, but I said, you know what, let's buy some olive oil. And last but not least, I got some syringes, 50 milliliter syringes. I bought 2 of these. That was what was in the boxes. I am still disappointed in the oils. They smell really good, but I am disappointed in the size, because on Amazon it is not displayed that tiny. It is at least this size on Amazon. So that is the end of my video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment for more detailed videos.